Hi guys, just another review today. This is my last review for today. It's the Nightmare on Elm Street Freddy Furnace Diorama. Finally got it, and everybody else got it from the States. And wow, this looks cool. You can see Freddy, the packaging. You can see the diorama stand, the furnace in it. Looks amazing. So yeah, so Freddy Furnace doors opens, flickering LED lights inside. Intricate detail and skill with all the 7-inch Freddy action figures sold separately. So lucky I got some Freddy figures there. So yeah. So package is really nice, made by Neca. Pretty cool. Little Freddy there, and yeah. So let's take out the packaging, shall we?